Hey guys, welcome back to another video. TheFatRat here, and today, as you see here, let me just play this. We are on the second part tutorial for this game, where you have to move and avoid all the bombs. Now look at those. It's coming. I can avoid them right now. So before this video starts, make sure to go down and hit the like button, subscribe, tap on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new content from TheFatRat. And in this tutorial, I'll just say the objectives, I guess. Right now, I'm gonna try and make it so it shows a score. Like each bomb that diffuses or like hits that one, it shows the score. And also, I'll make it so that I'll make the background look much prettier, because that doesn't look pretty. So let's get right into it with today's video. So I think first of all, I'm just gonna be doing the background, I guess. So I just have this green one because I just want it to be delete when it touches the green color. So it doesn't have anything more. Let me just make this. Okay. So I'll just change this to 149. So let me just see. Okay, it looks much better. Excuse me. So I'll just do a time lapse here. I'll see you after the time lapse. Okay, guys, as you see, I'm not much of a drawer, but at least looks pretty to me, because I didn't get the hang of drawing with the mouse, because it's really I don't know how to say. So I'll just get something to draw on. I still draw on my tablet, but it's still annoying also. So this is our background, and I'm just gonna make sure it's still working, and the colors, I didn't use the same colors. Okay. It's gonna look a little bit weird, but I mean, still decorated. So the background still, I mean, at least it got decorated. And I think I'll change this guy up a little bit because he looks too blank. I'll go in, I will get that, and just write it in. I think I'll just make a small face. I'll draw one. Well, nah, I mean, make one. Ooh, no. Like this. Never mind. Like this. Like this. And like this. At least we have a look on this person's face. I have an idea where let me just stop that. I have an idea. I'll just do this. No, it doesn't work. I'm gonna do it like this. Wait. Made it like this so it's like a little bit like walking. I'll also make these hands come to the other side. Oh my goodness. I just mixed those two. so it looks a little bit like it's walking, I guess you could say. I'm not real good at animating. So basically what I want to do here is forever, if key A or so is pressed, just the next costume. I'll just change this both of these to if statements. Duplicate -3 A, get that out of here. So I'm gonna put this here and I'll just explain it. So I want it to execute if I'm pressing that, then change it. But sometimes what happens is like when I stop it, it just stops in the moving one, so it looks a little bit weird. So what I want to do is else switch costume to costume 1. Same over here. So what that ensures is that when I take that back. That looks weird. Wait a second. What if I do that? Ah! Maybe not. Or maybe I'll just make a block. Move. So I'll just do a small time lapse on defining this block. Okay, I just deleted that. No mind, I take it back. It's much harder. I forgot how to do it, but I think I still remember it. I just have to go back to my Scratch account. It will be there, I'm pretty sure. I'll just change this back to if statements real quick. Get that out of there and put that there. That's all. I'll check it out, and I think in the next video I'll animate it much better also. So what I wanted to do was make a score system. So first of all, we're gonna make a variable which is, I think, for a sprite only, if my memory helps me. Ooh, okay. So score. Okay. So I still don't remember. So let me just go and have a quick look.
2 hours later.
Okay. So I am back. It's been a while for me, but for you guys it's just gonna be a cut. So I went through all my one project. I even tried it off screen right now, but it didn't really work out. So sadly you're gonna have to work with this because I'm not the best YouTuber in the world, you know. I think PewDiePie is. No. I don't know. Don't judge me. So we got a score here, so it should work. Basically what this does is, look, whenever a bomb touches and deletes, it just adds more score, boys. So also one more thing, it's just day 16, so I'm gonna have to go there, data, set score is 0. I think I'll keep it here only. By the next episode I will try and fix this, but if I can't, then I'm done for. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to go and hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions about this, then you can comment down below and I'll check every comment because there aren't much comments on my video and I'm dead. My score is 16. It was 16, so let's see if you can beat my score also. And now that's all done. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.